It's right. You're going to go over a tree, and it's just going to be a little pass when we step over this tree. All the other ones are over on the, for the most part, the other side of the deal by the water. This, yeah, probably. There's been people looking for this one and no luck.
So, real close? I don't have
Oh, hell no. I know about where it's at, so you just keep going. I'll get it up on here. I forgot you didn't have it. Alright. Yeah, because we're close. 90, 80 feet. I guess go over 2 trees. 60. We're still going forward. I can see the host tree. Oh. Yes, they are. Oh. Yes, they are.
In Alabama, you couldn't come out here like this.
Oh, yeah?
Dude, you didn't get by a snake. You had that snake in your hand.
Well, yeah, I probably wouldn't have got hurt. Yeah, we're here. This was a key fob. I believe a shiny chrome key fob.
I've seen it. Nobody's been finding it?
No.
Try here. There's a motherfucker to get out of there.
And I am literally says I'm 7 foot.
That's really good.
Within 13. Plus or minus 13, so cords are good. I don't know what the fuck these people's problem is.
It was easy to find.
Yeah. Well, I've had people with like 6,000 caches not find it, bro.
Well, I'm guessing me and Jennifer probably have 20,000 caches. I would say easily.
Yeah, I've got to go to these caches and change the who can do them on my other site.
Let me see how many people have signed this log. Not one person has signed this log, Matt.
Really?
Oh wait, first to find, one person. How many people have logged it on there?
Oh, we're not at Ivy.
One person, one log.
Natlo, N-A-T-L-O-2, L-O-H-2.
Yep, that's the only person. Is that the only person that's found it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The next person had 11 finds and couldn't find it. And the person after that was 2,983 finds and couldn't find it. So,
And that was easy to find. Now I just gotta remember what I did with the geocache. Are these geocaches that you bought online?
no.
You had them?
What is that? No, I fucking...
That was a big... I hate these little things. I got carpal tunnel, man. I can't feel them, so...
Part of the deal, brother.
How's your foot feeling?
It's just numb. I ain't really got much.
Where did I put you? Right there.
The next ones don't fall down.
Okay, it was on this one here, and it was all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. If you can't find that, man, your GPS is
or your geocaching sense isn't good. I mean, 11 finds, I can't blame them. They ain't had much experience.
Yeah, so the next one can't go to either.
Yeah. Like I said, we'll change them. I don't know why. Maybe I just...
If me and Jennifer started doing it again, because she works so much.
You guys probably will.
Here and there.
You guys probably eventually will once.
Once she retires, I'm sure. But in Alabama, you're going to have to drive a long ways to go get some. It's fun, just like Rockford and Chicago.
Yeah. The low bridge. I'm trying to rip my hat off. Oh, look at that mushroom. Oh, I know. What is it? Do you know?
I don't know. If you don't know, you don't eat.
Nope.
I had a cousin. No, my niece. Ain't one.
Fuck. Yeah, I haven't done maintenance in this park, dude, since we replaced it. But how do you not? I'm trying to stay out of this dude's way. Staying over here, it shouldn't be too distracted to him. Oh, he could already be gone. Who knows? But this is the park, so we wanted to put one up in there, but yeah, people tear it up, man. See, we've been paying more attention to that. And this, yeah, what? Throw them up into the tree? Oh, yeah. Holy macaroni cheese.
Yeah, well, just hanging out with my buddy. Yeah. How was church? A whole lot closer to you. All right, then I'll try to make it home. Bye.
Damn, that dude cruised. He is gone.
He's way down there, dude.
Yeah, we're going down here to the corner. Hopefully he's still in that direction.
How many you got out here?
4 or 5. There's one also that's in here. If it shows up on yours or not, we end up replacing the container, so it's technically ours. 5 or 6. So like 3 or 4 more. Yeah. So he's already been here and thrown.
Yep.
No, now he's throwing back up to this side. He's at the tee right now, throwing back up to that one. Kinda, yeah. Yeah. Well, it's probably a par 3, but let's try to get it out of the ways there. What? Ain't as bad as down there, are they?
No.
So.
Oh, you mean in Alabama?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck no. Because, man, back there, there's no trees, there's no houses.
Why are we walking in a tall shit, bro? Over here.
Following you.
Either way, I mean, they've got this all mowed all around us, so we can walk around in this instead of that and pick up more chances of ticks. Even though we got the opportunity for them.
Check yourself, man. I got tons of pictures in Alabama.
They're out. No joke. Yeah.
Do we pass it?
It's right in here. It's catching up, man. But yeah, I think it's right in here. Yeah, must be. There again.
You see it?
This is all grown up since we've been in here. Ooh, I like that ground cover.
I got that in my flower bed, and it spreads out all over.
Ow. That hurt.
Do we know what this container is?
Nah. No fucking idea.
And you have no idea where it's at.
It's a micro. Fuck me.
Poison ivy? No, it's not poison ivy.
They're within 8 feet, so it's here. So I'm gonna put this up. This has been found. Nothing outside the box here. Because we're weird, we just hang one. And what's bad is it's been found. I don't have to go look at logs, damn it. I mean, I'm looking at where I would have placed it and don't see it. All right, back to the phone. Now I'm 2 feet. So we're definitely in the right spot. Train, difficulty is 2.5. Oh, fuck, this could be horrible.
Is it going to be up in the tree?
No. Had to work to get the cache out of the hidey hole. It's a push pin just stuck in one of these fucking trees. Serious. Or he was talking about it's a hanging log. Had to work to get it out of its hiding place. Come on. Oh my God.
You find it?
No.
Oh.
No, I haven't, dude. You're bleeding. Oh, you got you scratchy?
Why do you do this to us? You're the one that hit it. You don't remember where you even put it. You're worse than me.
Memory, dude.
My memory's shot too.
That's why I film the shit. I go home and find it. See, when was it last found? 410.
Oh, that's a long time. And how many feet you got right there?
Should be going away from it, honestly. But it says we're getting closer to it, so. Now it's saying 4 foot. Jumping up 7 and 12. Here it is. Is that something right down in there?
It is. I sure can't get it.
Said they had hot problem getting it out of the hidey hole.
Yellow, like an apple. Yeah, I'm going to have something a lot sturdier than that.
Alright. So this is saying 27 feet, man. But it did bring me over here.
It's like a lime or a lemon.
Yep.
Got to have your Nike. I need to get me one of those.
See, this is saying 30 feet, give or take 28 feet.
2 people logged it?
Yeah.
That cache is a little more damp.
Yeah. I don't know why this is so far off.
Well, this is going to be fun trying to get back in that. That's a hard find right there. I wish I had my GPS.
What?
Where I could have seen how far off I was.
I'm within 15 feet.
Well, if you're within 15 feet,
I guarantee that. You know what I mean?
There you go.
$19 foot.
Plus or minus 20, you're good. You're good. They get within here, they know it's going to be in one of these trees, for Pete's sake.
Right.
Because I didn't find it up there, and I was starting to head off this way.
This is another one of them that you can't do, I don't think. Don't fall down.
Where's the next one at?
Sports Center. And then there's 2 more after that one. Sports Center's not ours, but I know it's there because we replaced it. So you might as well get it.